Trump has been in bed with the Democrats for years. Wouldn't it be a big surprise if the biggest rouge was played upon the American people by getting Trump elected? To totally divide and polarize this country to set us up for 2020. You think? That's what I think. We are divided more now than ever. The new normal will not look like the old normal. When we get back to normal, it won't look like the old normal. They've had a year to manipulate it. They've had a year to set things up to teach your children different things, to make your children comply. Your children will not be allowed to go to school if you haven't had the vaccine. What are you going to do? Guess I'll just get the vaccine. Good luck with that. Just saying. Something to think about. Are you prepared to homeschool your children? Put them to work in the fields and the garden? Sounds like a good idea. If I had kids at home, I'd buy them a Dillon Progressive Reloader and teach them how to make bullets. That's what I would do. That would be the lesson of the day. And you would have to do 1,000 to pass your final exam. I would teach you how to use a meat grinder and make sausage. I would teach my children history. The actual history of this country, not some made up stuff from academia. I would teach them about the civil rights movement and Martin Luther King, but I would also teach them about Jeb Stuart, Robert E. Lee, Stonewall Jackson. I would teach them about the Midnight Riot of Paul Revere. I would teach them about Lexington and Concord and Yorktown. The deception of Yorktown and how we captured and forced Cornwallis to surrender by faking the British into thinking we were going to attack New York. Why 8,000 ragtag American colonists moved south and descended on Cornwallis in Yorktown, while the French Navy blockaded Yorktown to prevent his escape and his resupply. All those tactics still apply today. Deception is the #1 weapon that can be effectively utilized as a force multiplier to dupe someone into a right cross. Watch your left, watch your left, watch your left. Right? Works in martial arts, works in boxing. Deception. And we've all been deceived. Don't waste your energy trying to convince the sheep that you're right. Spend your energy now preparing to survive with like-minded people. That is my message for today. Don't waste time, energy, and money trying to convince others that your way of thinking is right. Because if they're not awake by now, you're not going to awaken them by saying, you better prep. Too late. Too late. So, hope you got a good brotherhood. Hope you got people that'll stand with you and protect you. And I hope you're there to protect someone that needs protecting. Don't fall for the vaccine. Love your families. Prepare. God bless. Sic Semper Tyrannis.